Today, we have an exciting showdown between two high-performance tires from Michelin, the Pilot Sport 5 and the Pilot Sport 30e. As a Tesla Model S owner, choosing the right tire can make a significant difference in your driving experience. So, let's dive into the details and see which tire comes out on top. First up, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5, launched in 2022. This tire is currently Michelin's ultra-high-performance replacement tire available in the market. Next, the Michelin Pilot Sport 30e, introduced in 2010 originally for Mercedes. It is currently the dedicated summer OE tire for the Tesla Model S. Despite its age, it promises a balanced performance and comfort. Now, let's get into the performance comparison, starting with wet conditions. The Pilot Sport 5 outperforms the Pilot Sport 30e in wet braking and handling, with shorter braking distances and faster lap times. However, the older Pilot Sport 30e has an edge in aquaplaning resistance, showing its strength in certain wet scenarios. In dry conditions, the Pilot Sport 5 again takes the lead, offering shorter braking distances and faster handling times compared to the Pilot Sport 30e. This makes it an excellent choice for those who prioritize dry performance. Comfort-wise, the newer Pilot Sport 5 provides a smoother ride thanks to its advanced design, while both tires maintain similar noise levels, ensuring a quiet driving experience. When it comes to rolling resistance, the Pilot Sport 5 shows a slight improvement over the Pilot Sport 30e, contributing to better fuel efficiency and overall sustainability. To sum it up, the Michelin Pilot Sport 5 stands out with its superior performance in wet and dry conditions, better rolling resistance, and enhanced comfort. The Pilot Sport 30e, while older, still offers decent performance and a slight advantage in aquaplaning resistance. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.